How to fix Vivitar camera keeps going offline. Fix 1. Power cycle the camera. Unplug the camera from its power source. Wait for about 15 seconds. Then plug it back in. Allow up to 5 minutes for the camera to restart and reconnect. Fix 2. Check your Wi-Fi connection. Verify that your camera is within range of your Wi-Fi router and that there are minimal physical obstructions, such as walls or electronic devices, that could interfere with the signal. Fix 3. Restart network equipment. Power off your modem and router, wait for about 15 seconds, then power them back on. Once your network is back online, check if the camera reconnects. Fix 4. Check for interference. Other wireless devices or networks operating on the same frequency can cause interference. Try changing your router's Wi-Fi channel to reduce potential conflicts. Fix 5. Update firmware and software. Update the mobile app. For Android devices, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Vivitar Smart Home Security and select the app from the list. If an update is available, tap Update. Fix 5. Update firmware and software. For iOS devices, open the App Store. Tap Search and enter Vivitar Smart Home Security. If an update is available, tap Update. Update the Vivitar camera's firmware. Visit the Vivitar software links page to see if a firmware update is available for your camera model. If an update is available, download the firmware file to your computer. Ensure the camera is connected to AC power to prevent interruptions during the update. Connect your camera to the computer using a USB cable. Copy the firmware file to the camera's internal storage or SD card, as specified in the update instructions. Safely disconnect the camera from the computer. Navigate to the camera's settings menu and select the firmware update option. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After the update, restart the camera to apply the changes. Fix 6. Factory reset the Vivitar camera. Find the small recessed reset button on your camera, typically located on the back or bottom. Use a paperclip or the provided setup tool to press the reset button. Press and hold the reset button until the LED indicator turns red. Release the button and wait for the system to reboot, which takes about 15 seconds. The camera will announce reset success upon completion.